Hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are fine, doing well. Di musim COVID ni, you pun tahu kes makin naik kan. So I hope you guys pandai jaga diri, kita jaga kita. If you guys have no idea what happened, actually kita punya kes dah naik. So kalau tak penting jangan keluar lepak. Kalau nak makan ke apa ke, just bungkus and bawa balik. If can, cook yourself. Okay, I'm so lucky that I still have my mom and she know how to cook. I don't know how to cook, so yeah, you guys should too. Okay, so without further ado, let's me moving on with my video. Okay, for today's video I'll be doing a Shopee haul, but this Shopee haul is special. Sebab apa? Sebab it's for my own product. Yay! So if you guys haven't know yet, I baru je buat business clay, which is jewellery tray. Macam tu. So apa tray? So some people don't know tray. Ramai ada dapat DM, you jual apa? Tray tu apa? So tray is a tray bekas, dulang, orang kata dulang. But my tray is a handmade aesthetic multi-purpose jewellery tray, which means the tray you can put everything that you want, menghiasi your table, your house, decoration. Okay, decoration is like letak macam cincin ke, accessories ke. It helps you and it looks nice on your table area. Ta-da! Here's the box. Okay, each box I akan macam lukis black using a small brush. Okay, the purpose of this black is to tell you guys everything here memang I tak pergi custom box, I buat sendiri. Every customer have a different pattern as well, and when you buka, you will get a thank you card from Feqa, from Feqa Studio. See, I am a flower lover. I love. Okay, whatever that I love, I'm gonna share with you guys. Okay, so I baru je start suka bunga-bunga kering ni kan. So I put it here. Macam tu. And these are the new collections. It called Harry's collection. Okay, let me open first one. Okay, this Harry's collection is made 100% using air dry clay. Okay, this adalah ceramic tau guys. So kalau you guys jatuh ke apa ke, jawapan senang aja, it will broke sebab it is ceramic. So how to use? Okay, here's the thing, I'm going to show you how to use it. So this is the Harry's collections. How to use? Letak dekat atas meja. You can put gelang. You can put smartwatch. No, you can letak jam. You can letak cincin and whatsoever. So this is how you're gonna looks like. This is how it's gonna look. Macam ni. Okay, it's pretty nice guys. It's pretty aesthetic. So yeah, alright. So kalau I remove all this, this is what it's gonna looks like. The actual Harry's. Okay, it's completely orang kata apa, handmade. I buat sendiri. Gigit tak? Because I love doing this. So yeah, this is the Harry's collection. So everyone, the very newest collection. Okay, sama design dia, cuma this one yang tak ada barang, ni ada barang. Okay, so if you guys teringin nak have this, okay, in your room, or you nak belikan untuk your friends, your gang, your sisters, or or whoever that might like this item, you can purchase this on Shopee. Feqa Studio officially has Shopee account after a few trials. Tak dapat-dapat kan nak buat Shopee, and finally Feqa Studio ada Shopee, and I'm selling this aesthetic handmade multi-purpose jewellery tray at only 50 ringgit only. Harga asal is 80 ringgit. So I'm having a 10-10 promotion, which is start a few days ago and tamat on 10-10. Okay, so cepat grab while I'm having a promotion for each of these three. And yep, if you like all my item, you can just purchase dekat Shopee. Okay, so hope you guys are willing to support this my small business. Okay, if you guys wonder, ada Harris collection je ke? Okay, sebenarnya tak. Obviously tak. I have this also actually latest collection sebenarnya, but I more suggest you guys purchase this, your taste. If you guys like this design, Harris design, you can purchase this at 50 ringgit. And this one is the also latest collections, however this one the most latest, this one like previous one juga lah. Okay, what I'm gonna do is that for the latest update, okay, dia takkan ada telinga, dia hanya akan ada the tray and the silhouette of the face. Alright, this one is like more minimal, but this one more aesthetic for me. Okay, so the price also 50 ringgit after discount. I'm just gonna make everything 50 ringgit. Okay, next is this one. Okay, I think you guys like this too, but update on this design juga, dia takkan ada telinga. Okay, it's actually for secure. I akan remove the telinga and it just only tray exactly like this, and dia punya silhouette je lah different. Okay, the line is different. This one's like more aesthetic, ada like eye, nose, mouth, and this one dia ada macam just nose and the mouth, and this one dia asing. If you perasan kan, dia asing bahagian the kening hingga kat sini. You can put like earrings or cincin, and this side you can put rantai. Okay, so both design takkan ada telinga for the latest design. Okay, and for your information, all this design you guys boleh pilih color, sama ada white, gold atau black. Okay, 3 color ni je yang available, is either black, white or gold. Okay, so this collection is the latest one, her race collection. This one is 0.1 and this one is 0.2. Okay, sebab dulu I tak sure nak namakan apa, I just call it 0.1, 0.2, and I call it her race because it's her and it's Cherries. Make sense? So if you guys not purchase all this design, you guys boleh shop through my Shopee account ataupun boleh DM Feqa Studio. Okay, please support this my small business Feqa Studio, and hope to see you on my next video. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe me on YouTube. Bye bye.